Cuma bikin yang
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you this morning?
I'm good.
Good. I'm good.
I'm fine.
Catherine, where's your face? I couldn't see your face, Catherine. Ah, you look so beautiful. Okay, before we start our class today, I want you to pray, ya. Who wanna lead the pray? Siapa yang mau berdoa, memimpin doa? Arya maybe?
Apa, ma'am?
Lead the pray, Arya. Berdoa.
Okay.
Okay.
Before we start to
Before we
study,
study,
let's pray together. Let's begin. Let's finish.
Okay, thank you. Sehat semuanya? Sehat kan?
Sehat,
Oke,
sehat.
semuanya ada
Sehat.
di satu ruangan yang tenang. Semua ada di dalam rumah, dalam kamar, atau di ruang belajar, kan? Oke, jadi kalian siap ya untuk belajar hari ini. Have you breakfast, guys? Have you breakfast? No?
No.
I hope you eat something like cookies or juice, maybe. Okay, let's study. Wait, I will share my screen, ya. Cancel. Okay, let's learn English with me, Ma'am Aprilia. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 13 right now.
Okay. What about you? The others?
I'm 13 years old.
13 years old. All of you 13 years old?
Yes.
Yes.
Semuanya umur 13 tahun. Okay. Everybody's here. Semuanya hadir. Who doesn't come today?
Serlina.
Serlina. Oh my God. Yeah.
Yoga.
Serlina. Yoga.
Yoga.
Serlina and
Cinta.
yoga. Okay. Thank you. Okay, back to our material today. How old are you? 13? Yeah,
13.
you are in junior high school right now ya. Sekarang kalian ada di SMP. Okay. Do you still have a memories when you in kindergarten or elementary school? Masih ada yang ingat kenangan-kenangan kalian di TK atau di SD? Do you have any memories? Ada yang punya kenangan? You couldn't forget the memories. Who?
Bad memories or good memories?
Bad memories or good memories? Up to you. Tell
I
us.
don't remember at all.
You don't remember at
forget
all?
Yeah.
Tell us. Tell us. No? Arya maybe? Arya, can you
Keseharian
share?
boleh, ma'am.
Ya?
Keseharian waktu kecil.
Okay. Your daily when you're child?
Yes.
You wanna tell us? Okay, please.
Yes. Okay. When I was a child, I had a really fun times. I started to kindergarten at 5 years old. The school that I went to named Karnadipa. Every morning before I went to school, my mother made a breakfast for me. My mother always takes me to the school at 6:30 a.m. by a car. In the school, I have so many friends and a good teacher. After school, I play in the playground with my friends and wait for my mother arrive to take me home. I'm done playing with my friends. Every weekend, my family and I went to the Paru Grand Mall to refreshing and having fun. I really like when it's weekend time because I could go to the mall to spend my time with my family. Thank you.
Okay, it's your memories, Arya. Yeah. Thank you,
Yes.
Arya. Okay.
Thank you,
it's
ma'am.
Okay, we talk about our memories. Anyone can guess what we're gonna learn today? What we're gonna learn today?
Past tense.
Kita hari ini belajar tentang apa ya? Past tense? Yes. Past tense. About memory. When the theme is when I was a child, tentang kalian saat masih kanak-kanak,
Kecil.
ya, masih kecil. This is the learning objective atau tujuan pembelajaran. Melalui kegiatan pembelajaran dengan menggunakan metode discovery learning yang dipadukan dengan TPEC dan scientific learning, menuntun peserta didik untuk mencapai keterampilan belajar abad 21, yaitu menganut collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and creativity. Diharapkan siswa dapat ada dua ya, yang pertama itu low order thinking skill, dan yang kedua itu high order thinking skill. Di LOTS itu kalian akan diminta untuk membaca dan mengidentifikasi unsur kebahasaan dalam simple past tense. Dan yang kedua adalah mengidentifikasi struktur teks tentang kejadian di masa lampau. Yang ketiga, kalian diminta untuk melengkapi dengan menggunakan informasi yang ada di dalam teks. Yang keempat, membuat kalimat sederhana menggunakan simple past tense. Oke. Jadi hari ini adalah hal-hal yang akan kita lakukan ya. Oke. Cinderella is coming. Oke, sekarang kita nonton video. Ada video akan memputarkan ya tentang simple past tense. It is about simple past tense. Can you see the screen? Hello? You can see? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, let's watch the video ya. Pay attention, okay?
Let's pray together. Finish. Simple past tense. Definisi simple past tense adalah tense yang digunakan untuk membicarakan tentang kejadian atau tindakan yang terjadi dan selesai di masa lampau. Jadi kalau kita bilang simple past itu adalah lampau. Rumus simple past tense. Yang pertama adalah kalimat nominal. Kalimat ini tidak ada kata kerja atau verbnya. Contohnya, I was a kid. Jadi di sini menggunakan was itu adalah to be dalam bentuk past. Karena kita membicarakan tentang simple past tense. Jadi to be I itu adalah was, dan belakangnya a kids itu adalah noun. Number 2, kalimat verbal yaitu memakai kata kerja atau verb. Nah, untuk simple past ini kita menggunakan kata kerja bentuk kedua. Nah, di sini kata kerjanya adalah played. Kata dasarnya dari asal kata play, bermain. She played football yesterday. Karena ada kata time signalnya yesterday yang menunjukkan lampau, jadi dia ditambah dengan ed, played. Nah, di sini lebih detail. Di sini ada ciri-ciri kalimat nominal. Yang pertama menggunakan was atau were. Nomor 2 tidak memakai verb atau kata kerja. Nomor 3 memakai noun, kata benda. Adjektif kata sifat dan adverb kata keterangan.
Pasal kayak tadi ulang dua video.
Rumus simple past kalimat nominal yaitu subject plus was atau were. Were ini adalah to be dalam bentuk simple past tense. Subjeknya I, she, he, it, itu to be-nya was. I was, she was, he was, it was. You, they, we, to be-nya were. You were, they were, we were. Jadi kita hafal ya. Example, she was a tailor.
She was a tailor. She was a tailor.
Lalu dalam bentuk negatif, kita menambahkan not di belakang to be was. Jadi, she was not a tailor.
She wasn't a tailor. She wasn't a tailor.
Angkat.
She wasn't a tailor,
Angkat.
gitu ya. Kemudian dalam bentuk kalimat tanya atau interrogatif itu menjadi was she a tailor?
Was she a tailor? Was she a tailor?
Jadi to be was itu diletakkan di depan, kemudian she subjeknya di belakang to be dibalik gitu ya. Setelah membahas kalimat nominal dalam bentuk simple past, kini kita akan membahas kalimat verbal dalam bentuk past tense. Apa sih kalimat verbal? Nah, di sini kalimat verbal adalah kalimat yang di dalamnya terdapat action atau aktivitas atau tindakan yang ditandai dengan adanya main verb di waktu lampau. Nah, di sini khusus untuk kalimat verbal simple past, dia menggunakan verb to atau kata kerja bentuk kedua. Dari mana kalian mendapatkannya bentuk kedua, bentuk ke satu? Nah, biasanya kamu buka aja kamus bagian tengah-tengah itu. Ada dua verb di sini, verbnya regular verb dan irregular verb. Apa sih regular verb itu? Nah, regular verb adalah kata kerja yang beraturan, di mana perubahan kata kerja mengikuti aturan yang ada dengan menambahkan id. Ada kata id atau ed pada kata kerja kedua maupun ketiga. Sedangkan untuk kata kerja tak beraturan atau irregular verb, bentuknya berubah-ubah dan tak tentu juga tidak konsisten. Contohnya play, played, played, open, opened, opened. Nah, itu untuk regular verbs. Sedangkan irregular verbs itu contohnya eat, ate, eaten, drink, drank, drunk. Itu yang berubah. Ada juga yang tidak berubah, seperti cut, 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 put, put, put. Nah, ini kalian baca ya di kamus bagian tengah-tengah. Semakin banyak membaca, semakin kamu tahu. Next, kedua yaitu pattern atau rumus kalimat verbal untuk simple past. Contohnya, untuk kalimat positif, the mouse ate cheese 15 minutes ago. Tikus makan keju 15 menit yang lalu. Nah, di sini ada kata ago sebagai time signalnya bentuk simple past, jadi dia harus menggunakan verb to. Kata kerja bentuk kedua yaitu ate, makan. Eat, ate, eaten. Jadi dia memakai yang bentuk kedua. Untuk membentuk kalimat negatif, maka setelah subjek ditambah did. Dan yang pasti negatif pakai not. Jadi digabung menjadi did not atau didn't. Next, untuk kalimat tanya interrogatif, maka did diletakkan di depan kalimat. Jadi di sini di depan jadinya did the mouse eat cheese 15 minutes ago. Jangan lupa ada tanda-tandanya. Nah, di sini kata eat, kata kerjanya berubah menjadi verb 1. Nah, untuk kata keterangan waktu, adverb of time-nya, biasanya yang digunakan adalah yesterday, semalam, last night, tadi malam, 1 hour ago, 1 jam yang lalu, last month, bulan lalu, last year, tahun lalu, atau 2 days ago, 2 hari yang lalu. Okay, now take your book, Bahasa Inggris, what?
Okay. Oops, sorry. Oke. Sudah lihat semua videonya? Is it clear? Or you wanna ask something with me?
No.
Something? No? Is it clear? Really? Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I will explain it one more time. So this is the generic structure of simple past tense. Why we use simple past tense? Anyone can guess? Why we use simple past tense? Kenapa kita pakai simple past tense tuh? You can answer it on bahasa or in English. Kalau ada yang bisa jawab, kenapa sih kita pakai simple past tense? Ada juga waktu kelas 7 simple present.
Untuk waktu yang berlalu.
Untuk waktu yang berlalu, betul sekali Sharon, good job Sharon. Jadi di dalam bahasa Inggris itu struktur kalimatnya atau struktur bahasanya itu beda dengan bahasa Indonesia. Kalau bahasa Indonesia kita cuma bilang, oh ya saya makan kemarin, kata makannya itu tetap aja makan. Tapi when you wanna say kamu makan kemarin, kamu nggak bisa pakai kata makan lagi. Kamu tidak bisa menggunakan kata eat. Harus menggunakan kata kerja bentuk kedua. Oke. How many kinds of verb, regular and irregular ya? Ada dua bentuk kata kerja. Dua bentuk kata kerja, regular and irregular. Aduh, sorry. Jadi ini rumusnya. Formula, subject. Could you mention what is subject? Apa saja yang termasuk subjek itu? Yang termasuk subjek she, he, it, and then
you, they, we.
You, they, we. Good job. Thank you. Oke, jadi termasuk subjek itu I, you, we, they, he, she, it ya. Terus ditambah kata kerja kedua. Terus itu kalau positifnya, negatifnya subjek plus did not plus verb one. Ada lagi yang bisa tahu enggak? Yang bisa tebak? Kenapa sih kembali lagi ke kata kerja pertama? Kenapa tidak kata kerja dua saja?
Kan sudah ada did.
Oh, karena sudah ada did sebagai penanda lampau. Good job, thank you Arya. Jadi ini ada dua jenis kalimat, verbal dan nominal. Verbal itu yang pakai kata kerja. Kalau nominal tidak pakai kata kerja. Pakainya kata kerjanya diganti menggunakan was dan were. Oke, to make it clear, let's look at the example on the next slide ya. Ini contohnya di verbal sentences and nominal sentences. Sini bisa kelihatan jelas ya, yang mana verbal dan yang mana nominal. Oke, I went to the grandma's house. And then the interrogative form is I didn't go to the grandma's house. Tadi Arya juga sudah menceritakan kenangan masa lalunya itu menggunakan simple past tense ya. Ini was dan were. Apa bedanya? Kenapa di sini pakai was? Kenapa pakai were? Kalau melihat kalau melihat formula ini, rumus-rumus ini, kenapa pakai were? Kenapa pakai was?
Karena
kalau were yang lebih dari satu, kalau was yang singular.
Oke, thank you Aurel. Kalau was itu berarti dia singular, kalau were berarti dia plural ya. Subjeknya maksudnya. Kalau yang lebih dari satu berarti dia pakai were untuk sini setelah subjeknya. Oke, any question? Any question? No? Okay, let's move to the text ya. There is a text here, and I want you to read the text. You can see the screen. Should I make it bigger? And then I want you to read, then identify tanda-tanda kalau dia kalimat past tense itu apa saja di dalam teks ini, ya. Oke, wanna read the first text?
Me.
Oke, Aurel, ya, please.
This is me when I was a baby. I was 3.4 kilograms and 52 centimeters long. Now I am 50 kilograms and 150 centimeters tall. I was bald. I had no hair. Now I have long hair.
Oke. Mana kata-kata yang menandakan kalau dia past tense? Would you find?
Was.
Bisa kalian temukan? Was, oke. Di kalimat kedua
And
bagaimana?
had.
Good. Apa lagi? Itu saja ya. Was. Lihat kali di sini pakai was. Oke, thank you Aurel. Give applause for Aurel. Give applause. Yeah, good job. Okay, the second text.
Me.
Okay, please.
This is me and this is Rani in grade 7. We were not close friends at all at time. We did not study together. We never played together. Now we are best friends. We study together, play together, and cry together too.
Wah, okay. Could you identify kalimat mana sih yang menandakan kalau dia itu simple past tense?
Play. Did.
Ya. This one. Were not. Yes. Okay, good job, Catherine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next, the third picture. The third and the fourth. Wanna read it? Wanna do the dialogue? Arya and Tico, maybe?
Me.
Okay, please.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
What are you carrying?
They are a toy car. They are toy cars. I collected them when I was in elementary school. I do not collect the toy cars now. I'm going to give them to Ucok, my younger cousin.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Kantiko and Arya. Yeah, identify these sentences. Kalimat-kalimat ini yang mana yang menandakan kalau dia menceritakan tentang masa lampau.
Collected sama was.
Collected was. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Next dialogue. Marvel and Tasha. Are you ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, go.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, look, they are playing marbles. It was my favorite game in primary school. I play marbles every day, but now I never play marbles anymore. I have so many things to do at home and at school. Did you play marbles too?
Yes, I did, but I did not do it very well. I always lost the game.
Okay, thank you. Good job, Marvel and Tasha. And then, identify these sentences. Ada yang menandakan kalau dia kalimat masa lampau, yang menandakan teks ini adalah lampau. Mana kira-kira? Ada kata apa saja yang menandakannya? Ada kata was di sini, ada kata play, ya. Jadi dia ada kata did, dia bertanya. Jadi dia menandakan kalau itu kejadian yang sudah lampau atau sudah berlalu. Oke, next. Wanna read it? Tico and Arya again?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
You did not like math in primary school?
No, I did not like math because the teacher did not explain it clearly. But now it's my favorite subject because
Mr.
Mr.
Sihombing,
Sihombing explained it clearly.
clearly. Oke, thank you Tiko and Arya. Jadi teks-teks ini menceritakan tentang hal yang lampau dan yang terjadi sekarang juga ya. Ada kata now di sini. Yang mana yang menandakan kalau itu kejadian yang lampau?
Did not.
Did not.
Did not. Kalau did not ini disingkat jadi apa ya?
Didn't.
Didn't. Good job ya. Itu menandakan yang lampau. Next. Ini, there is a teacher and the students. Okay, I'm the teacher here. And then who wanna be the students? Graciela, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, Graciela. Okay. Is Edo here? Is Edo here?
No, he is sick.
Okay.
He got the flu yesterday. We will get home when it's worth raining hard.
Okay. He caught the flu yesterday. He walked home when it was raining hard. Oke, Sela, bisa nggak tunjukkan yang mana sih yang menandakan kalau dia ini kalimat kalimat simple past tense? Ada kata kerja apa? Ada penanda waktu apa?
It was.
Ada kata kerja untuk kedua called dan kata keterangan waktu yesterday ya. Thank you, Stella.
You're welcome.
Picture 7 and picture 8. The dialogue, the next dialogue. Will read this dialogue? Sharon, maybe? You wanna read, Sharon? Please.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, I actually go on time to school, but this morning I got a flat tire. Then I walked with my bike here. I got here at 6:50, and the gate was already closed. So here we are, not attending the flag ceremony.
Okay, thank you, Sharon. Yeah, Sharon, identify this text, Sharon. Yang mana yang menandakan kalau dia itu kalimat simple past tense?
Walk.
Good job.
Was.
Ada lagi? Was.
Close.
Close. One more. Got.
Oh, got.
Okay, good. Thank you, Sharon ya. Next, the last dialogue. Wanna read it? Two students. Catherine or Catherine Wiero? Oh, okay. Thank you. Please.
Yang mana, Ma'am?
The last picture.
Yang atas bawah? Atas.
Yes.
Are you going to eat your lunch now?
With me? No, it is my breakfast. I didn't have breakfast before I went to school this morning. I woke up at 6 because I went to bed very late last night. I did my homework until 10. Okay, Catherine, could you identify this text, Catherine? Yang mana yang menandakan kalau dia itu masa lampau?
Did not, when, woke up, and did.
Okay, thank you. Went juga ya. Okay, thank you, Catherine. So, this is the summary. The past simple describes action which happened in the past and are finished often with dates, time, and words like yesterday, last, and ago. This is the function of simple past tense, ya. Stating, explaining action or event that were done or happened in the past and establish interpersonal relationship with teacher and friends. Jadi itu fungsinya ya, untuk menjelaskan kejadian yang sudah berlalu. Dengan biasanya ada keterangan waktunya, ada juga keterangan waktu seperti yesterday, last, and ago gitu. So this is the formula of simple past tense. Jadi not only math have a formula or rumus ya, tidak hanya matematika, but in English we have a formula too. This is the formula to make a simple past tense. Jadi untuk membuat teks seperti di atas ini yang kalian baca tadi, kalian bisa menggunakan rumus ini biar tidak salah-salah lagi. Oke. Any question? If you don't have any question, should I ask you? Memo tanya boleh. Ada berapa bentuk kata kerja?
3.
3. Kata kerja bentuk keberapa semua?
Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3.
Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Good job. Apa saja bentuk kata kerjanya yang kamu tahu? Kasih contoh coba. Play, what about play?
Play, played, played.
Okay. Go.
Go, went, gone.
Go, went, gone. Cut.
Cut, cut, cut.
Cut, cut, cut.
Cut, cut, cut.
Cut, cut, cut.
Oh, cut tetap sama saja.
Okay. Put, what about put?
Put juga sama saja.
Put, juga. Ya, satu orang kasih kalimat, nanti yang lain tebak. Aurel. Tebak kata kerja kedua dan ketiganya. Teng Nong. What about kalau eat?
It was.
Eat, ate?
Oh, eat.
Makan.
Ate, eaten.
Okay, good. Sing.
Sing, sang.
Sang.
Ya.
Sing,
What?
Sing, sang, song.
Sing. Song is a song.
I don't know.
What about bring?
Drink, drink, drunk.
Bring, drunk. Okay. I think you understand, ya. You have no question. Now we move to our LKPD. Do you know LKPD, guys? Maya, kalian tahu nggak LKPD itu apa? What is LKPD? Lembar kerja peserta didik namanya. Okay, wait a moment. I will share. Oke. Jadi setelah membaca teks tadi, you will complete the table here. So this is the example ya. Ini contohnya. Kalian kerjakan di buku tugas. Oke. I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, wait. Mute, sorry. Do you get your LKPD on your Google Classroom? You may check the LKPD in there. Wait. Ya, cek Google Classroom-nya cek Google Classroom, sorry. Cek LKPD-nya di Google Classroom ya. Oh, hello, Cinde. You couldn't find the file on your Google Classroom, yeah? Okay, I will share the new link for you. Wait a moment, yeah? Okay, Cinde, do you get it? You got it, Cinde? Cinde, you got it? Hello?
Yang link Google Meet itu, Mem.
Yeah. You open it.
Bentar, saya coba.
Okay.
Kok gak bisa, Mem? Malah kembali ke Google Meet ini.
Okay, I will meet you by using WhatsApp, ya.
Oke. Mem, saya sudah dapat.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now open your camera, please. I want you to share your answer with friends. Yeah, share your answer with friends. Open your camera. Sharon, Catherine, Michelle. Okay, thank you. Now, who wanna share the answer? The first one. Cantico?
Ya, yang mana, Mem?
Yang siapa yang kedua?
Siti
and Rani.
Siti and Rani.
You read student Siti and Rani in the past blah 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 and now blah blah blah. Kalau okay, next.
In the past, Siti and Rani. In the past, they were not close friends. They did not study together. They never played together. Now, they are best friends. They study together. They play together. They cry together too.
Okay, thank you, Kantiko. It's same with you, guys? Semuanya sama di sini jawabannya? Okay,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
job.
Yes.
Thank you, Tito. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
the second. After Siti and Rani, there is Benny here. Benny. Tasya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tasya.
They are they are toy cars. He collected them when I was in elementary school. He do not collect toy cars now.
Okay, finish?
Yes,
Bagaimana?
ma'am.
Yang lain sama jawabannya? You have the same
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
Tasya?
Yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
good
Same.
job. Thank you. Okay, next. We have Edo and Dayu. Edo and Dayu, Marvel.
The answer is marbles were my favorite game in primary school. Now
Primary.
he never played marbles anymore.
Okay, finish? Okay, same? You have the same answer with Marvel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, good job. Give applause for us. Okay, yeah, thank you. You already complete the table given, and then I know you understand about simple past tense. Next, next task is make a simple past tense in a sentence. Jadi make a sentence in the past form ya. Kalian coba membuat kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris menggunakan tenses simple past tense. Oke? Okay, do it right now. Do it now. I will give you 10 minutes. Okay. Look at task 2 on LKPD. Change the following sentences into negative and interrogative sentences. Yeah, change the following sentences. I give you 5 sentences on a positive form, and then you try to make the negative and interrogative sentences. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, time is up. Have you finished? I hope you finish
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want to see your beautiful face and handsome face. Please show your face on camera. You may on cam. Wah, Cinde preparing the hijab. Okay, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
finished?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to see your answer. Number one. Wait. Number one. Who wanna answer the number one? Read the positif ya. Baca kalimat positifnya and then the negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, ready? Sharon, number one.
Langsung jawabannya.
Baca juga kalimat positifnya.
They played football last month.
Say positive, blah blah blah, negative, blah blah blah, interrogative, blah blah blah. Okay, good. Go on.
Negative, they didn't play football last month.
Good.
Interrogative, did they play football last month?
Okay, thank you, Sharon. Next, two. Number two, Arya. Okay, Arya.
Okay,
go on.
ma'am.
Okay, go on.
Positive, father broke some cakes yesterday. Negative, father did not bring some cakes yesterday. Interrogative, did father bring some cake yesterday?
Okay, thank you, Arya. Next,
Okay, ma'am.
number three. Number three, who? Catherine or Marvel?
Me.
Okay, Catherine, please. Catherine.
Wait.
Catherine, yeah. Catherine is yawning. yawning.
Positive.
Positive,
he wrote a letter yesterday. Negative, he did not write a letter yesterday. Interrogative, did he write a letter yesterday?
Okay, thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Marvel atau siapa?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please, go on.
The positive, Shiva cleaned the blackboard. The negative, Shiva did not clean the blackboard.
Okay, thank you, Marvel. The last. Number 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please.
The positive is we bought a magazine in the bookshop. And the negative is we did not buy a magazine in the bookshop.
Okay, thank you, Aurel. Okay, I hope you understand about the simple past tense. And then now I will share an evaluation for you. Yeah, choose the right answer. Use the words in the brackets to complete the question. I will give you an evaluation by using Google Form. Yeah, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
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 Wah, ini I can see the score here. Oke, banyak yang sudah mengerti ya. Nilai kalian bagus. Oke, I will check it. Wow, almost all of you got 100. It's good. Only 2% got 19. Ya, jadi karena nilainya di atas nilai standar penilaian hari ini, jadi kalian semua dinyatakan lulus ya untuk materi simple past tense. Oke? Jadi kalian lulus semua nih materi yang simple past tense. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, I'm so happy. Yes.
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 Yes, you're so smart, ya. You're so smart. You're smart students, ya. I'm happy.
Amazing.
Yeah, great. Okay. Now we have to reflection atau kita berefleksi hari ini. I wanna ask you some questions, ya. Jawab saja pertanyaannya, ma'am. Ini refleksi tentang pelajaran hari ini. Wait. Okay. I will ask you some question in reflection. You can answer it in Bahasa Indonesia or it's better you use English. And the first question, I want to ask you one by one, apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? What we learn today? Apa yang sudah what we have learned?
Simple past tense.
Simple past tense.
Simple past tense.
Simple past tense. Apa saja yang ada di dalam simple past tense yang kita pelajari tadi? The formula, the kind of sentences, apa lagi? Jenis kalimatnya. Apa lagi? Masih ingat? Apa aja yang kita pelajari hari ini? Learn about nominal sentence and verbal sentence, ya. Oke, next question. Apa yang paling kalian sukai dari pembelajaran ini? Bagian-bagian apa yang kalian sukai? Misalnya pada saat dialog tadi, atau pada saat mengerjakan tugas, atau pada saat dinyatakan lulus?
Dinyatakan lulus.
Dinyatakan lulus. Sharon juga. Kalau Catherine? Paling suka bagian apa? Sama, wah sama ya. Semuanya suka pas dinyatakan.
Dan pelajarannya menyenangkan.
Oh, terima kasih. Pelajarannya menyenangkan. Oke, nomor 3 nih yang terakhir. Apa yang belum kalian pahami dari pembelajaran ini? Karena sudah lulus, berarti sudah paham semua ya? Atau ada yang belum dipahami lagi? Nanti bisa tanya-tanya SMEM di
paham.
Ya, Arya? You wanna say something?
No.
No? Okay. And then thank you. Thank you. This is the last. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for joining in my class today. I hope you enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a
Bye.
great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
much.
Good morning. Thank you.
Morning and
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.